forever, ever hold a never mind. Oh,
Beautiful people, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome you all to Solstero. I think you guys are doing well. You guys are doing great. So I am going to pull out, one or two messages from the fairy. ठीक है, मेरी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. काइंडली हैव अ लुक, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब इफ यू हैवंट. ओके, एंड एक हम मैसेज निकालेंगे, ऑरेकल मैसेज, और उसके बाद एरीज टू पाइसिस के लिए हम वन लाइनर एक थ्रो अप करेंगे मैसेज कि आपके लिए ये फुल मून लूनर इक्लिप्स में May 26 को क्या लाने वाला है. ठीक है, दैट दिल प्रिडिक्शन, दैट वन लाइन ऑफ प्रिडिक्शन फॉर द अपकमिंग पीरियड. ये न्यू मून इन सैजिटेरियस, सॉरी फुल मून इन सैजिटेरियस विद द लूनर इक्लिप्स, न्यू मून दैट हैज हैपेंड इन टॉरस. जो मैनिफेस्टेशंस आपने करी हैं वो कैसे जाएंगी, कैसे पूरी होंगी, वो हम निकालेंगे. ठीक है, सो ऑल माई इन्फॉर्मेशन इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. आई एम कीपिंग दिस रीडिंग इन इंग्लिश, कीप दैट इन माइंड. Okay, so I'm gonna timestamp it. I'll try to, although it's a one-liner, so I'm gonna keep it really short, really short. Now I'll show you the oracle message from the fairy. All my spirit guides that I need to see for all the signs, Aries to Pisces. For Aries to Pisces. Message for the highest good, Aries to Pisces. We've got two of them for Aries to Pisces. One is Unicorn, which is in white, serendipity, amazing energy. Okay, and the other is again like on the horse, on the fairly like a unicorn kind of vibe. Release the power of fear, release your control issues, release your fears, people. Face your fears, face your fears. By the full moon in Sagittarius, come into acceptance. Face your fear. Spirit is telling you the same thing, that they are protecting you. Spirit is telling you that they're there with you. They're telling you that whatever you asking for, whatever you fearing, let it go. All shall pan out well. You don't have to worry. They're saying invite serendipity. Why are they saying invite serendipity? Because serendipity is like saying that whatever I don't understand, I leave it on to you. I ask my angels, my guides, my deities to send me that kind of vibe, that courage to handle what I don't understand. Okay, I trust whatever is coming my way is for my highest good, because I surrender to you. So saying invite that magic in, trust your intuition, let your higher power talk to you. Fantastic Aries to Pisces. The message I think that we most need today in the corona times is the same. Let's face our fears, na? As they say, fear is the virus, faith is the medicine. So this is how I'll put it. Okay, this is the virus, this is the medicine. Serendipity is the medicine, and fear is the virus. So we just need to let it go. It's as simple as that. So let me see, what do we have to see for my Aries? Okay, so for the Aries, what I really sense out is abundance, going forward. So let me see. I see, as I said, dhan labh. Okay, I definitely see dhan labh, and I see things changing for you, justice coming in. Yes, so of course things are changing, and with the King of Pentacles is the same. Abundance coming your way, dhan labh, Aries, it's coming your way. Okay, let's move on and see what do we have for Taurus. I see a lot of balance, honestly, for you, and celebration going forward. So it's not a third party thing. Okay, so for Taurus, I see celebration, I see stability, I see a lot of fun times. You'll be more easy, you'll be more secure, right? For my Geminis, we see that you are going to go slow because you're facing your fears now. You are coming in alignment, and you're saying, I'm going to go slow with the Page of Pentacles. I'm going to make it easy. I'm going to go easy, and I'm going to do it the right way. It might take some time, but I'll do it in the right way so that I don't look like a fool, but I am able to invite the goodness, and this way you'll be taking care of yourself and for people around you about your health. You'll have amazing times, you'll be experiencing good times by the full moon lunar eclipse in Sagittarius that's gonna happen, okay? For Cancers, let's see what do we need to see. It's just short and simple, okay? Short and sweet reading. Let's see. For Cancer. Two of Pentacles, yes, but with the Two of Pentacles, they're also saying that you would not be in two minds anymore, because there's a lot of clarity post the Tower that you've seen, and you know where your stability lies. You know where your courage lies, and you're going to operate from the heart space with the Page of Cups. So you're going to go and you're going to move forward with that kind of vibe, with that kind of love. And I do see a lot of amazing things, and there's this in capsule reading that I'm going to share soon, wherein the astrological signs, Vedic and Western astrology are dabbled into both. So basis that there are 3-4 signs that are going to get extremely benefited. Out of one is Cancer, because they're coming out of their two state minds and they're closing a cycle, a big cycle, and they're changing it. And Aries too, for that matter, okay? With the Five of Cups that I see for my Leos, it's about things that are not serving you. They are telling you, advising you that do not sit in that stage, in that melancholy stage. They're saying look at the upright, set your goals right, all is great. You don't have to worry for a thing, because jitna the more you'll worry about it, the more you're going to kind of invite that kind of energy. So you don't need to look at the upright situation and go ahead with it. And for the Virgo, let's see what we had to fall down. It's about the Star. Yes, half knowledge, healing. You need to heal, Virgos. That's very important, because here, as I said, you would get to know a lot of things in another few months. Maybe say post 7 months going forward, life would be very different for you. Trust me. COVID is one thing which has stopped, right? But otherwise, overall, it's going to be a very different kind of vibe for you, and you're very abundant. Things are changing for you. There's more clarity which is coming to you. There's more understanding which is coming to you, because you're healing, because you're paying more attention to yourself. You are getting into alignment, mind, body, spirit. You're working on yourself, and it's the best thing. It's one of the finest cards to actually receive in the deck. And for our Libras, we have the Ten of Pentacles. It's about stability, it's about balance, it's about the goodness of life in general. You're abundant, Libras. Everything is going to be great in your life. Just your health, I think, needs a lot of attention. For some Libras that I'm tapping into, your health needs a lot of attention, okay? So pay attention to your health. And also, as I said, rest is great. It's going to be great, and you're closing a cycle. You're changing for better. You're really changing for better, and that is the only thing that's going to take you forward. So for our Scorpios, it's about the Knight of Pentacles. Go slow, take it easy. You don't have to push it, because now you're saying I'm done. No more bullshitting me. Nothing. I am just very honest. I'll be very hardworking towards my relationships. I'll be very hardworking towards my work, because I'm finally facing my fears. I'm finally trusting the magic, and I finally know that what is good for me shall come in time. Okay, so this is what we have for our Scorpios. Going forward, for our Sagittarius, let's see what do we get. It's more about no fear anymore, like no more timid behavior. You're like, I don't want, and I'll be out of that zone clearly, because with this kind of mindset, the Eight of Swords mindset, you're saying I'm done. I don't need it anymore, because I'm doing my work. You've really worked on yourself, and that is where you've invited like serendipity in your life. With the Unicorn, as I say this, you've invited that serendipity. You're trusting now more to the higher power. You're trusting, and you're saying that I'm good, because I understand the bigger picture now, and I know everything shall fall into place. So basically, it seems great. it seems great for you, Sagittarius, going forward. For say the Capricorns, what do we have? It's about the strength, maybe dealing with the Leo. It's simple that it's about trusting yourself, your ability, your skill, and knowing that you cannot fall for temptation, Capricorns. That is one thing that you need to really work on. Okay, and you have to understand that you have to see within, you have to tame your beast also, right? Just like this card with the face your fears here, you have to embrace them, not resist them, and you'll see the change coming forward. Okay, and with that we go to the Aquarius. What do my Aquarius needs to see? I thought let me do like the short ones, na, because they're like good versions of it and easier to kind of carry on. Aquarians, I think for you, what I sense is that you are in a balanced state. You want to go slow, you want to go easy, you want to start easy. Ace of Pentacles. You want to just start new, you want to start afresh, you want to do things in a certain way, and you want to project things in a certain way, and you're in a good zone. You're just in a very good zone right now. You're saying that I know my thing, I just know my thing, and divine is helping you. So Cancer, Aquarius, Virgos, Geminis as well for some, but do watch your sun, moon and rising. You guys are going to really benefit from the lunar eclipse essentially, and of course it depends on your star engagement also, that you need to of course see. For Pisces, let's see what do Pisces really need to see. With the Pisces, you ending up a cycle, an old cycle. You're just ending and you're walking away, because now you're saying that I would rather be in my state. You're coming around in terms with the fact that you need to be very grateful for all that you're blessed with, Pisces, because you were taking things for granted. For some Pisces that I'm resonating with, okay, and you're saying that I'm thankful that I've got the support, and they're reminding you to actually pay more attention to your family right now, to your children right now, because they're your priority, and things are changing for better. Things are really changing for better. So this is what I have for all the signs from Aries to Pisces. Okay, short crisp reading under whatever minutes we've done, few minutes we've done. I'm sure this shall work for you. Under 15 minutes I think we've done the reading, right? So face your fears, simple, release them. Unicorn is like magic. It's trusting the higher power, inviting the serendipity, and saying, you know what, I am blessed. The only limitation, guys, we have is in the mind. Okay, and mind works like what? It's like the ghost that works. Don't let it be a ghost. Okay, it would keep dancing in your head in various ways. Don't have to. You just have to be very woke and understand that certain things happen in your life because they're supposed to happen in your life in a certain way. And that's why whatever you guys are experiencing right now with the COVID had to happen. It's written in the Vedas way back. So face it, handle it, deal with it, come to terms with it. Whatever is triggering you, work on it. And the moment you'll start doing that, you'll be in a much happier zone. Okay, so this is what I have for you, and if the reading resonates, it's a timeless reading. Whenever the title attracts you, there's obviously something in the reading. Do like and subscribe to the channel, make the community grow, and I send you lots of love, lots of light. Until I see you the next time, do check out the other readings also. I love you so much. To eternity. Bye.